I would like to start this video by asking you to have a think about the change of customer behavior. How many of your clients still have virgin hair? How many of your clients stick to their same color for years in a row? And how many of your clients never use a straightening or curling iron? I find it hard to name any. As a logic consequence, this changed customer behavior of using many styling tools and having frequent transformative color services can have quite a negative effect to the condition of the hair. Joico's K-Pak hair repair system makes it possible to have long balayaged hair, transforming your hair color, using blow dryers, hot tools, irons, and going out in the sun while still maintaining strong, shiny and healthy hair. Our K-Pak hair repair system is the rescue service and hero treatment to stop hair from breaking and to infuse hair with new life and elasticity. Besides this 5-star solution for damaged hair, the K-Pak hair repair system offers many other growth opportunities for your treatment and retail business in the salon, because of the extra service options the hair repair system offers. Who would not want to bring back the bounce in curly hair, add volume and fullness to their fine hair, hydrate, soften and add shine to dry hair, and improve or guarantee the quality of their hair during a color service for the most beautiful and long-lasting color results? How is all of this possible? The K-Pak hair repair system contains a high dose of our core Joico Smart Release technology. This technology gives damaged hair back exactly what it has lost and needs the most, and that is keratin protein. The keratin protein used is identical to the keratin protein found in human hair and is also delivered to the hair in a unique way to completely reconstruct the hair on all levels from the inside out. In addition, all K-Pak products contain specific ingredients that target the needs of damaged hair to repair, protect and nourish it. While the hair repair system can be used in combination with color services, today I want to focus on the use of the hair repair system as a treatment on its own. Our hair repair service renews the condition and strength of your hair in 4 easy steps with 4 different products. The synergy between the 4 products and steps is crucial to obtain the ultimate performance when it comes to reconstruction and hydration. Step 1 is the K-Pak Professional Clarifying Shampoo, a deep cleanser that will remove any buildup from the hair. Step 2, our K-Pak Professional Cuticle Sealer. This will help to seal the cuticle and creates an even surface to maximize the performance of our next steps in the repair service. Now, if you've heard of Joico before, you may have heard the reference to Joico as the healthy hair company. The product that has helped us reach this status is our K-Pak Reconstructor, the 3rd step in our hair repair system. K-Pak Reconstructor is our most iconic product when it comes to replenishing the hair with lost keratin from the inside out, stopping the hair from breaking while enhancing its elasticity. Our K-Pak Reconstructor has the best reputation when it comes to saving damaged hair from the scissors. Now, do not expect your hair to feel soft and smooth after this treatment. Think of its purpose. It is designed to rebuild and reconstruct the condition of our hair. The product that will offer the soft and smooth feeling any client is looking for is our final step, the K-Pak Hydrator. This product is focusing on giving back moisture to the hair. It will leave the hair in an incredible condition with incredible shine. It will remove unwanted frizz and it will for sure contribute to making your hair much more manageable. The K-Pak hair repair system is a professional in-salon treatment. To make the most out of this treatment, we recommend that each step is processed for 5 minutes, even the shampoo, as it needs some time to remove the buildup from the hair. With the K-Pak hair repair system, you can really make the difference so that your work stands out and many hair issues will get solved, making you become the hair hero of many clients. To find out all about the use of the hair repair system in combination with color, make sure to watch our tutorial on pre- and post-color care with Joico Color. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to find out more, check out our website where you will find all you need on Joico education.